Move the 6/6 cap and check inside the pipe. I'm gonna move. Loose. Not loose? No, wait a second. Okay, not loose?
Okay. I will thanks for giving us a call, and let's make some money. All right.
Road to the left, right there, the road. Right there, go to the left, and you can see.
Yeah, apparently that could get crazy.
Bueno.
Yeah. Let's do this for a month, and then kind of go from there. And I have a guy here in Austin that I met. Well, he does some sheetrock patches and stuff like that for us.
Siding and all that.
But he's really a concrete guy, and he says he's done a ton. He came out of Phoenix and did all the pool refinishing, like pool crease.
With a hand.
What do we call it? Sun decks and all that. So we might want to put that on there. Redeck pools.
The roof there.
So we'll jack with it. We'll kind of keep an eye on it here in the next few weeks to see where we're getting and see. And another thing is, when we were in service matches, the more reviews you get, or the better reviews, the more, yeah. And so we'll get our customers to start, building reviews for us.